In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display dividends on your chart, specifically using the TradingView platform. If you're trying to get a more in-depth view of how dividends affect your stock charts, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by diving into the initial steps you need to take. First, you'll want to open the chart of any stock you're interested in on TradingView. Once you have the chart up, accessing the settings is your next move. You can do this by right-clicking directly on the chart and selecting the Settings option. Alternatively, if you prefer, there's also a gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen that you can click on to reach the settings. After opening the settings window, you'll notice a variety of tabs. Here, you want to focus on the Events tab. Clicking on this will bring you closer to visualizing dividend information directly on your chart. Now, to ensure that dividends are displayed, you'll need to check the box labeled Dividends. Once this is done, you'll see blue D icons pop up on your chart's price scale. These icons represent different dividend events that have taken place for the stock you're analyzing. To delve deeper into the specifics of these dividend events, simply click on any of the blue D icons. This will give you detailed information such as the ex-dividend date, the payment date, and the payout amount per share. Understanding this data can be pivotal for anyone looking to gauge the financial health or return potential of their stock holdings. Next up, let's explore the dividend calendar on TradingView. This tool is equally useful for a broader analysis of dividend patterns and schedules across different stocks. To access the calendar, begin by navigating to the Markets tab on TradingView. After clicking on it, select the Calendar option from the drop-down menu that appears. Within this section, you'll find various types of calendars, each serving its own purpose. For our needs, you'll want to select the Dividend Calendar. This calendar is an invaluable resource as it presents both upcoming and past dividend reports from various companies. On this screen, you'll find crucial details such as company names, exact dividend amounts, ex-dividend dates, payment dates, and dividend yields. All this information is presented in an organized manner, making it easy to absorb and analyze. Moreover, the dividend calendar is customizable. You can tailor it to display data specific to certain countries, set the time periods you're interested in, and even adjust the time zones. This customization feature is particularly beneficial if you're analyzing stocks from different regions or are interested in historical data from specific time frames. The presentation of dividends on your chart, alongside a well-organized dividend calendar, offers a comprehensive way to analyze the impact and timing of dividend payments. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions based on dividend data on TradingView.